What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chris Cage coming at you 2 times, and it's time now for Hot Wheels All Out. As with all Hot Wheels All Out races, they are always sponsored by the Sunflower Company, the only small business gift shop ran by my bestie where you'll be able to get sunflower or non-sunflower themed items. Today, we are racing monster trucks, and immediately to the left, off camera, obviously, so it's not being broadcasted, but there is a big, wide open gap. And I'll let you know why here. Because, see this big space right here? That is where the monster trucks are held, right in this big bin. The reason why I have this large bin here is because look at how huge they are. Like, I would have about like 5 or 6 bins of this stuff just stacked on top of each other. And I figured that makes no sense. Why just move them all to a huge bin like this? And so this is what we did. So we have 129 1/64 scale monster trucks that look just like this. That's a 1/64 scale monster truck for you. And we're going to see all of these monster trucks get on the track here today as we elevated the Super 6 lane and see who will win today's race. And without further ado, it's time now to begin the first round of this Hot Wheels All-Out race with monster trucks. And shout out to all the live commenters who are just now realizing that I'm using this big black bin to store monster trucks. Stay tuned for round 1. It's time for round 1, and you know what that means. It's time to hear a word from our finish line.
Hot Wheels racers, hit your lane!
Or the word. I was so flustered here shortly after I got in here because of some geek doing some geek stuff right here. So yes, let's get ready to race with this first set of 3 monster trucks. And let's see how the buffers hold up. I cannot change that at all. So you're gonna be seeing all these flip upside down, but I know which one is one, and it is Patrick, the one that doesn't cause females to get headaches. This Patrick doesn't. Another one does though.
Winner, lane 1.
And your winner for lane 1 here is Roger Dodger. We go to lane 4 for your winner of this race, which is Steer Clear. Lane 1 goes to the NWO styled fire. Not about to say fire eater. 5 alarm. Because look at it, it's black and white. Just like the NWO. We go to the way far side right here, and this bone shaker has gotten the win. And your lane 5 winner is Rhinomite. I think this one's called All Fried Up. Is that right? No. It's 4-Wheel Hive. That's what this is called. All right, your winner of I think it was the last ever monster truck challenge. I don't know for sure or not, but it is Red Hulk. Wow. Imagine this, everybody. Bigfoot beats the Undertaker. I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I'll have to come back the second time around and give the other soul of trucks a piece of my mind. Bigfoot wins. Now, will you look at that? Chewie stands up because he's happy that he got the win. Going to lane 1 here, and your winner of that race is Abysmal, which is what I can say about my day so far as I'm filming on a Tuesday. Go to lane 3 here, and yet another 5 alarm has won this time. This time is like a gold edition of it, or something like that. Because, yeah, it's your winner. I think for this winner, we have... Oh my God. Yes, it's Mr. Krabs. And I won the race. God damn it, Mr. Krabs. I can't believe you done it. Now it's time for you to make that money for good old Vinnie Mac. Because I don't care about the fans. Because I run the WWE all by myself. Ah! If you can't tell, I'm really annoyed with the WWE and their practices. So yeah, don't be surprised if don't be surprised if I'm making fun of Vince live right in front of your eyes if you're watching this on Premiere. So if you're a WWE fan, you might be offended by this because AEW doesn't do none of that. Anyway, Mr. Krabs is your winner. And by the way, just in case if this does get reported by WWE, I'll have a backup copy sitting around in my file somewhere, so I'll upload it again. Yeah. Let's see who wins this race. Winner! Lane 3! Alright, winner is Dodge Charger. Or 70 Dodge Charger RT, I think this says. Well, if there's one thing the head of the table cannot do is beat okay. So the one thing the head of the table cannot do is win in this Monster Truck Hot Wheels All-Out race because this Shark Rake, I think that's what this is called, is your winner. Lane 3, we have two bone shakers moving on. This time it's a camouflage version. Winner, lane 1. The winner here is, I believe, Yoshi, the monster truck. Right, winner here is Scorcher. And no, not the Hot Wheels car. This monster truck right here, named Scorcher, is your winner. Got some Mopar madness going on here, and I ain't talking about the set. This monster truck with red lines. The Dodge Charger RT Mopar edition with red lines gets your winner, or gets the win and is your winner. Lane 1 here, and it goes to the freezing Abysmal. I'll call it Abysmal Tundra Edition. Says I think Tundra could be a great definition for it's Cody F in this BIA. Here's all fried up. I don't think he's gonna win, but he may surprise me. Let's go. Yep, knew it. And your winner here is Hotweiler. SpongeBob. So a friendship couple is moving on to round 2. SpongeBob and Patrick. That was a good race. So, if you watch a YouTuber, this car apparently became a treadmill racing champion. But I want to see this on a treadmill. Imagine the craziness on that. But yeah, the Borla Camaro SS has gotten a win. Hey, look at that. Red lines. Look who's back. Back again. Bone Shaker's back to claim a win again. And he leaves everybody in the dust. That's my rendition of Without Me, the Bone Shaker First Edition. I had to say it twice because this is the first time we've seen a Bone Shaker as a monster truck in this color, this release. It goes to Darth Vader, who I think he may use the Force to give himself a burst of speed in order to win this. Next up, it goes to this Shark Reek with that sick stuff on it. The owner of the Chum Bucket has won it. So far, 4 out of 5 SpongeBob SquarePants themed monster trucks has won. The only one that didn't was Squidward. Why? Well, I'll tell you why, you geek. Because you ain't fast enough. Like these 4 that are moving on to the next round. And with that, on to the next heat. I'll tell you this much. Every time I do monster truck races, I always tend to be a lot more comedic than usual. Let's see who wins this race.
Winner, lane 1.
But I bet you my comedy is better than WWE's. Just saying. Another 5 alarm gets the win. So that's the third one moving on to the next round here. From fries to burgers, as all beefed up is on the track. Let's not show Nyla Rose that vehicle because he's going to slap the burgers out. Because he's going to slap this burger off the track. Anyway, let's see who wins this one. See, I poke fun at AEW, so I can poke fun at both sides. Now you WWE fanboys happy. If some of y'all are mean in the live comments, which I don't think anybody is, but there are. Could be that one person. And guess what? All beefed up is your... Please don't tell me. More wrestling puns because we got him. A NWO themed Mega Rex gets the win. Look at that black and white paint job on it.
Winner, lane 1.
The Duke of Monster Truck has got the win, which is this Dodge Charger right here. Lane 1 here, and it's that V8 Bomber with the Eminem Kamikaze that goes on it as it gets the win.
Winner, lane 1.
Imagine if Sriracha won. That'll be great advertisement right there. But a camouflage version of Mega Rex gets the win as he smashes right into another monster truck here. We got some all-elite monster trucks on the track, except for one in the middle. Let's see who will win it.
Winner, lane 5.
Well, there's your controversy for the day. No WWE monster truck is moving on to the next round. And the weird thing is, I said all-elite in the same sentence when I was filming that run right there. Skeleton Crew gets the win here. WWE monster trucks are not moving ahead. As I look to all the winners that moved on so far, none of them all been buried. We got another V8 bomber here. This time it's in the army greenish color. And I'll just say this. Do you think it looks better in Zamac or in this green color? Let me know in the live comments here, because I think it looks better in this one right here than this one. Alright, drop it in the comments. Random segment selection. Both these two monster trucks on the opposite ends of the Super 6 lane have 6 stuff on it. So drop it in the hashtag random selection, hashtag 6 stuff. Let's see who wins.
Winner, lane 3.
Your winner is Invader. Goes to lane 1 here, and it is Town Hauler.
Winner, lane 5.
I think it goes to, what is this? Hot Wheels Delivery. Alright, winner is Hound Hauler.
Winner, lane 5.
And the hits keep coming. Zombie Rex wins. Winner here is the Hulk. The winner of that race, by the way, I have a 3-2-1 goal system now instead of me saying next race all the time. Winner is Hot Wheels Racing. Speaking of racing. By the way, that was your second to the last winner. So, here are your final 3. Time to see who'll move on to the next round.
Winner, lane 5.
And we will officially trash it all. Does this gimmick work here? Pretty sure this gimmick works. We'll trash it all. There's a thing you can open it. Aha! You see, I got it open. You can open the back of this thing. Pretty sure none of you knew that. Anyway, here are all the monster trucks that are moving on here. You take up most of my room here, if you're wondering. And this car gets a, or this monster truck gets a pass in the next round, by the way, while the rest of them have to race. And here they all are. All the monster trucks that moved on. I have to pin my camera all the way back here because these monster trucks are massive. And it's time for round number 2 to begin up next. Alright guys, round 2, and you know what that means. It's time for your first matchup. That's what I say, you know what that means more often, because that sounds way good with my shit right there. Winner is the Hulk. Winner lane 3, and it goes to Hot Wheels Delivery. Winner of that race is the green V8 Bomber. And your winner is Megarex NWO Edition. Too sweet. And Darth Vader is going to win this race right here. Lane 5, and he just creamed everybody else on there. That bone shaker as he gets the win. We got ourselves a Dodge Charger Mopar Edition. And yes, it got those red lines in them. We got 2 bone shakers moving on this time. And yes, the camouflage has done it again. Winner is yet another V8 Bomber, so both of them move on to the next round. All right. Yes. My creation has won. The Mr. Krabs has done it for good old Vinnie Mac. Yeah, Mr. Krabs has won. Thanks to this Vince McMahon impersonator that's somehow in this room. Wow. Abysmal got beat by Chewbacca. It was a heated battle in the 2 leftmost lanes there, but Chewie edged out Abysmal, which is standing on his roof thinking he won, but he didn't win. So yeah, chalk that up for Star Wars. Yeah, 2 monster trucks moving on, by the way. Focus, please. This thing does not want to focus. Your camera is supposed to focus. Oh, why it's not focusing? Sorry if it looks blurry, but let's race anyway. I don't know what the hell is going on with my little camera here, as it wants to be an annoyance. But if you can't read what that says, Bigfoot has won it. Okay, maybe if I just pull it up closer. There you go. Yeah, the hell's going on with my camera here? Let's see if I can fix it. Alright, so I'm gonna make something up, but I don't know. Well, I might not make this up. I don't know what's going on with my camera. But I think Vince came in and said, "You know what, pal? Since you've been making fun of me, I'm going to ruin your camera." So I think that's why it's not focusing here. So I have to get a closer look right here, these monster trucks. Even though it is a second to the last race. A close-up shot, let's see who wins. Goes to the 3rd lane here. First time ever filming for YouTube, and my camera wants to malfunction on my new phone. Yes, it's my new phone, and it's already goofing up. And as we got another bone shaker, 3 bone shakers, the same 3 from the last round, are going to be in the next round. So get ready for that. Here are your final 3 monster trucks right here. Time to see who'll move on to the next round. Once again, apologies for the blurriness. Somehow I can't fix it. Maybe in round 3 it'll fix itself. We cut down the number of SpongeBob SquarePants monster trucks in half from 4 to 2. So here are all the monster trucks moving on. Once again, sorry for the blurriness. I have no idea why it just stopped working all of a sudden. Because this phone is garbage. Pretty sure some of you iPhone users are gonna be sitting there saying, that's why iPhone is better. No, iPhone is garbage still. In my eyes. I can't even do the wide shot right here. I'll just do a close shot like this. Here are all the monster trucks moving on, and I know some are blurry, but F it. It's live! Why? So who cares? So yeah, round number 3 is coming up next. Here we go. So the camera's fixed. Hooray! Thanks to some moronic hacker who's sitting out there hacking my BS. I'll just play. There ain't no hackers around here, but still. Round 3 here. Here's your first of 5 heats. Let's go.
Winner, lane 5.
Looks like the wonderful powerhouse of Patrick beat out a Bone Shaker. Here's heat number 2.
Winner, lane 5.
Back-to-back lane 5 wins, and we got Chewy winning this time. Here's heat number 3.
Winner, lane 1.
The first heat of the finals is going to be very interesting because we got 3 fast monster trucks that are going to be in it. Only one is going to be the fastest, though. Alright, 4th heat.
Winner, lane 3.
And the NWO version of Megarex is your winner. Here's your final heat of monster trucks. Only one will make it to the finals. And it will go to Hot Wheels Delivery. So, with that out of the way, here is your finals. All 5 monster trucks here. Looks like a good enough group right here. And guess what, guys? The finals will be coming up next. Alright, finals. Here's your first of 2 heats. After that, a one-on-one gauntlet to determine the winner of Hot Wheels All Out Monster Trucks Race Number 1.
Winner, lane 3.
I think the Bone Shaker has met his match. That Chewy monster truck just gets, or just completely owns the Bone Shaker and Patrick on top of that. And here is your final 2. Who will face Chewy in the gauntlet race?
Winner, lane 1.
The NWO Megarex. I know it's like a sketch series or whatnot, but since it's black and white and I love pro wrestling, it is an NWO monster truck. So there you go. The New World Order Megarex taking on Chewy in this gauntlet race, who will become the first ever Hot Wheels All-Out monster truck winner. Let's get him on the track and let's get this gauntlet started. From 129 monster trucks down to 2, only one of these 2 are going to win it. Let's see who it'll be.
Winner, lane 1.
Well, looks like we may have a definitive winner here if he does the same thing on the opposite lane, because the Chewy monster truck has clearly beat him there. Will Chewy completely eviscerate Megarex, or will we see a shocking split race?
Winner, lane 5.
That was very decisive. And after all of that racing, which I think would have taken almost of excess of half an hour, or if not north of half an hour at least, your winner of the first ever Hot Wheels All-Out Monster Truck race is Chewy. I am not going to do the voice, so don't even attempt me in the live comments or in the comment section at all either to try that. I'm not going to do that. But just say that congratulations to the Chewy Monster Truck for winning today's Hot Wheels All-Out Monster Trucks race number 1. Now, the rest of them will get a chance in the second race at the other end of Hot Wheels All-Out after we do our final realistics bin of cars. Then the race 2 section of these brands of car castings are going to get a second crack at it to become a winner, all in time for the Hot Wheels finals and stuff like that. Anyways, that will do it for today's Hot Wheels All-Out race. Next time we will see you, we will be racing character cars. And yes, shouting out my bestie here, the Minions will be racing. And one of them came close. Could 2021 be the year that a Minion character car wins it? Now that you will definitely have to stay tuned for. Until then, that will do it for today's race. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. If you are brand new watching this, be sure you subscribe. And also, turn on the notifications bell as well. It's your boy, Chris Cage. I'm coming at you 2 times, and we will see you at the next video. Thanks for, or well, at the next race. Thanks for watching.